Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy, your trusted source for simplified ISO and compliance training. In today's video, we are going to explore the key differences between ISO 37001 and ISO 37003. Two important international standards that serve different but related purposes in the world of corporate governance and compliance. What is ISO 37001? Anti-Bribery Management System. Let's begin with ISO 37001. ISO 37001 is known as the Anti-Bribery Management System standard. It was developed to help organizations establish, implement, maintain, and improve controls, specifically aimed at preventing bribery and corruption. This standard requires organizations to assess bribery risk, implement due diligence procedures for business partners, maintain financial and non-financial controls, and provide proper training to employees. ISO 37001 is a certifiable standard, meaning an organization can get certified by an accredited body to prove it has effective anti-bribery practices in place. In short, ISO 37001 is very focused. It only deals with bribery, but it provides a complete certifiable management system to handle that issue effectively. What is ISO 37003? Compliance Guidance Standard. Now let's talk about ISO 37003. This is not a requirement-based standard. Instead, ISO 37003 provides guidance for implementing or improving a compliance management system. Think of it as a supporting document that helps organizations follow best practices in compliance, such as legal obligations, ethical behavior, regulatory compliance, and even internal company policies. It is based on ISO 37301, which is the Certifiable Compliance Management System standard. But ISO 37003 itself is not certifiable. It is intended for internal use as a reference guide, helping organizations understand how to build or strengthen a culture of compliance. So while ISO 37001 gives you a system to prevent bribery, ISO 37003 gives you guidance on how to ensure overall compliance across various areas of operation. Core difference: bribery versus broader compliance. The biggest difference between the two is their scope and purpose. ISO 37001 is focused only on bribery and it's certifiable. ISO 37003 provides general guidance for compliance and is not certifiable. Think of it this way. If you are an organization that wants to demonstrate zero tolerance toward bribery and corruption, you should implement ISO 37001. But if your goal is to strengthen your overall compliance framework covering everything from legal requirements to ethical behavior, then ISO 37003 can be a helpful guide, even though it won't result in certification. Certification status. Just to recap, ISO 37001 is certifiable. You can be audited and certified by third-party bodies. ISO 37003 is not certifiable. It is a reference guide, not a standard for formal certification. So friends, I hope this breakdown helped you understand the difference between ISO 37001 and ISO 37003 in a clear and practical way. Use ISO 37001 when you want to build a strong anti-bribery system and go for certification. Use ISO 37003 when you need guidance to build or enhance your overall compliance system, but don't require a certificate. If you would like us to create full training videos on either of these standards, let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TNV Academy for more simplified ISO content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.